Good afternoon, everyone. So breakfast time can be a crazy time in anyone's house. Getting out the door, getting something to eat that is nutritious and also delicious can be a hard thing to do if you're going to try to prep it and make it all in the morning, because sometimes we just don't have time for that. So I am going to give you an easy way to make French toast ahead of time so that you can prepare it and have it ready to go for the week ahead of you. So today we're going to do a blueberry maple French toast muffin. So what I have in my bowl already is 10 egg whites and 2 whole eggs. Now feel free that you can mix that up into any way you'd like. If you'd want to use more whole eggs, that's completely up to you. For me, I do mostly egg whites to bump up that protein level, and 2 whole eggs because I do enjoy the flavor of the yolk though.